like a representation of a reactive glaze, so like a pottery glaze with the granito effect on top. So it's like multi-layers of inkjet decoration. They used to be only in porcelains, and it would be what you'd see in airports and boring. And they've created it in a decorative wall tile program. So like I love to see this kind of mashup stuff that's happening.
Yeah.
We're taking inspiration from like different periods and different styles, and then putting them into an unexpected place, like a subway program.
This is like, it reminds me of cookies and cream.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yes, definitely.
Somebody told us we should have
I mean, I could definitely.
Someone's hungry.
But it's so pretty.
This is a seamless inside-outside program that they make with a metallic glaze to it. It's not metal, so it's fine on the floor, it's fine inside and outside. The way they do this is they create the gradations in pigment, and then they inkjet glaze a glossy ink on top of it. So it's fine for traffic, inside and outside. This kind of non-metal metallic to give functionality to something that previously was the most decorative and delicate thing that we ever did in ceramics. It's also incorporating some glossy and satin inks within this porcelain floor tile. Within the glaze as well, this is one of the ones that actually is more slip resistant when it's wet. So it's smooth, it's fine for interior, but it can go right onto an exposed patio, and the texture is smooth and easy to clean, but when it gets rained on or snowed on or something like that, it actually grips your foot even more. This is a reactive pottery glaze on top of classic design from Antoni Gaudi, and he kind of was one of the forefathers of biophilia. He was so entranced with natural forms, so you can see fossilization, and everything in Gaudi's work was all anthropomorphic forms. So this one really kind of hits a lot of trends right now. A reboot of one of the best-selling porcelain products pretty much of the past 2 decades. It was called Corten. It only came in one color, and it was exactly Corten steel. Now they can do a few different colors in it, and they can also add not just the look of an oxidization that makes people fall in love with Corten, but actually the structure of the oxidization as well as the sheen that comes from it.